Yeah, it was fun, not only being able to all work together, but work on a building that, where both you two went to school at. You're familiar with the building, you're familiar with the people there, as well as the people you're working with. My name's Tom McDonald, Vice President for Construction Operations. How I got into this industry is initially, I really like to draw, but I'm not very artistic, so I was really good with straight lines and squares and rectangles. So I decided I wanted to be an architect. Once I started college, changed fields on that, and found a true love for construction management, and have been doing that ever since.
I'm Brady McDonald. I'm a project manager for construction engineers. Kind of how I got involved in construction was helping my dad with decks here and there when I was younger, and then kind of found a passion with building. Worked building homes throughout high school, and then went to college and got my degree in construction management, and kind of started working with my dad and my brother and everybody else at Construction Engineers, and just kind of started to enjoy it.
Alright, and then I'm the middle child of us, but my name's Blake McDonald. I'm a carpenter, so you got the pretty boys, and then I'm the one that actually gets his hands dirty. So, like Brady touched on, ever since we were young, it was kind of either helping Dad with decks or paver patios or doing concrete curbing, and I've kind of always liked it, and I like doing the different stuff. In high school, Brady and I worked for the same residential company doing houses, and I was kind of just the gopher, just getting into it. And then another summer I did some more construction work, and then once I graduated, Dad was kind of like, well, if you want a job, we're hiring. So, and then I've been here coming up 6 years in May.
When both these two kind of came on board in various capacities, we're kind of neat in the fact that the real first project that we were able to all work together on was the East Grand Forks Senior High School, school that Blake had just graduated from days before, and years before Brady graduated from, and then here we are back kind of all in that building, kind of in our hometown, doing a big $20 million renovation in addition to the school that you two went to.
I basically graduated on the 17th, and Dad said, hey, you're going back to high school. I'm like, well, I just graduated. He's like, no, your first job site's at the high school. So that was in East Grand Forks, and then Brady was in the office. You were an intern then. So.
Yeah, I was a field engineer intern, so I was on site, but I was kind of checking on things daily, and I'd have to go back and do some computer work and that type of stuff, but I spent a lot of time out in the field itself.
Well, and for anybody who would be interested in getting in the construction field, either on the field side or even in the office side, we really would appreciate you reaching out. We spend a lot of time with people that just kind of want to explore the industry. Brady mentioned job shadows. We've done a lot of that. We've worked with a lot of high school students just on what the career really entails or what the industry looks like in that aspect. So, right now we're working with some individuals that just really aren't sure what they want to do, and is this a possibility?
This is Construction Engineers.
And we are
building for tomorrow.